Okay, so we are going to go ahead and talk about the alternate limit form. So over on the left side, this is what our standard definition of a limit looks like. And if we wanted to evaluate it at some point a, this is like a comma f of a, what we would do is we would just need to find the slope at that point, and so we would do f prime of a, and all of our x's we would just be plugging in a. And so that was, we found the function first, we found that derivative function, and then we just plug a into it, and that gives us the slope. Now what the alternate limit form does is it says, well, I know my point, it's a, and so then this makes it a comma f of a, like it was before. And let's say we're just going to choose some arbitrary point and we're just going to call it now x. And so then this is x comma f of x. Well, we can find the slope in the same way. So we would do the slope is equal to f of x minus f of a all over x minus a. The difference here now is that we want to take the limit as x approaches some value a of that f of x minus f of a all over x minus a, and that's going to give us the same thing as what our standard one did. The only difference is we're not finding that general function, we're just finding the point at which the slope at that point, which is defined as a. Okay, so now we're going to use the alternate form of the derivative to find the slope of the tangent line at to this equation at that point. So we're going to write it out. It's the limit as t approaches that point A of f of t minus f of a over t minus a. So let's just plug some stuff in here. So t as t approaches a, f of t is 2 over t, f of a is 2 over 3, because we're plugging in 3 for a, and it's all over t minus 3. So now we're going to want to multiply this side by t over t, and this side by 3 over 3 to get a common denominator in that numerator portion. So the limit as t approaches a of 6 over 3t minus 2t over 3t, all that's going to be over t minus 3. So let's rewrite this again. I'm going to bring it up here. And the limit as t approaches a of 6 minus 2t, all of that is over 3t over t minus 3. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to factor out of this. I'm going to factor out a negative 2. So it's the limit as t approaches a of negative 2. And this is t minus 3 up here over 3t, all of that over t minus 3. And so we can go ahead and we can cancel out this piece there, and I'm left with the limit as t approaches a, which in this scenario is 3, of negative 2 over 3 times a. Well, really it's t, and then when we go and we plug it in, we're going to plug in 3 for that. So I really could change that to a 3, and we get negative 2 over 9 is our slope, and that's basically what it is. That's our slope here.